Hi, my name is Carol Zirkle. I'm just going to give you a quick little tip on how you can manage lots of colors that you have for a particular medium. This medium that I'm using today is called oil stick, and I have many, many colors. These are all the colors of oil sticks that I have. I also use a similar method if I'm going to do pastel or color pencil or something that has a lot of colors. So what I did is I came up with a little, what I call a chip. And other artists may call it something else. There are a lot of people that do this, but I made a little spreadsheet and then I cut it up and I have a spot where I can put the paint and then put the name of the color. I use these to, number one, organize my sticks. So I start with families of colors. First, I take my turquoise, blue, purple, red, oranges, yellows, greens, and then neutrals. I made a little box, as you can see here. And I just keep the same order in the box so that I can find these sticks. Now, when I have a reference picture, I can take any of these. Let's just take this one here. Then I can match up the colors. And whenever I see that color in the reference picture, then I can pull it right from the box and set it aside. So it's a slick way to pull my sticks. Now I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. So I'm calling this a chip because it reminds me of paint chips at the hardware store. So I have some new colors. This is one. This is Paul DeMarais oil sticks. It's a brand new color. I'm going to go to this orange because it's as close as anything. You're looking to put it in the same family. So I'm going to try it here. And I just want to make sure that it goes all the way up to the edge of the sheet. And then on this side, I write what it is. So it's actually got pigment numbers, PR 254 and PY 83. What happens is I use this as my master list. I keep a box of oil sticks, one of every color, and then I keep any extra sticks of a particular color in my inventory. So I'm not showing that here, but when it's time for me to reorder, I can easily come in and check to see what I'm missing, how many I have left in inventory, and that way I know what to order. So it's really good for keeping organized. It's really good for working with your reference picture, and it's really good for reordering your inventory. I hope that was useful. If there's anything else that I can talk to you about, let me know. Otherwise, passion on and have a happy day for painting. Thank you.